Are you tired of pet hair taking over your home? Whether it's shedding season or just everyday mess, having the right vacuum can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best upright vacuums for pet owners. Stay tuned to find the perfect one for your home. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. Bissell 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Bissell 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum. This vacuum is a powerhouse for pet owners. It features a HEPA-sealed filtration system, ensuring allergens and pet dander stay trapped inside. Plus, the lift-off portable pod lets you clean stairs and upholstery with ease. The LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt, and the easy empty dirt tank makes disposal mess-free. Pros: HEPA-sealed system for allergen control. Portable lift-off feature for versatile cleaning. LED headlights for better visibility. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV350. Next up is the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV350. This vacuum is perfect for deep cleaning carpets and hardwood floors. It comes with a HEPA filter and large dust cup capacity, so you can vacuum longer without frequent emptying. The swivel steering allows for easy maneuverability, while the upholstery and crevice tool help reach every pet hair hiding spot. Pros: lightweight and easy to maneuver. Large dust cup for fewer emptying trips. Effective HEPA filtration. Number 3. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum. At number 3, we have the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum. If you want serious suction power, this is it. Dyson's radial root cyclone technology delivers unmatched cleaning performance, while the self-adjusting cleaner head transitions seamlessly between carpets and hard floors. Its tangle-free turbine tool makes removing pet hair from upholstery a breeze. Pros: superior suction power. Self-adjusting cleaner head for multiple surfaces. Tangle-free turbine tool for pet hair. Number 4. Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum. Moving on, we have the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum. This model is designed for convenience. With swivel steering, a quick release wand, and automatic cord rewind, it makes cleaning hassle-free. Plus, it's built specifically for homes with pets, tackling embedded hair with ease. Pros: swivel steering for easy maneuvering, quick release wand for extended reach, automatic cord rewind for easy storage. Number 5. Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350. Finally, rounding out our list is the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU350. If you need an affordable yet powerful vacuum, this one's a great pick. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry up and down stairs, and features a pet tool to tackle stubborn fur on furniture. Plus, the MaxSwivel technology enhances maneuverability, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Pros: budget-friendly option. Lightweight and easy to use. Pet tool effectively removes fur. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best upright vacuums for pet owners. Whether you need powerful suction, allergen control, or budget-friendly options, there's something for everyone. Which vacuum do you think suits your home best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews.